Cancellation law of addition of natural numbers. Cancellation law is an integral part of group theory, but here we are going to prove the cancellation law using the Peano's axiom. It says that a plus C equals B plus C implies that A equals B. In group theory, the cancellation law comes from the operation of the inverse element. So far, we haven't defined negative integers. So, in this stage, talking about the inverse element is irrelevant. Interestingly, the cancellation law can be proved using the axioms of Peano. This simple law makes the calculation easy, and many algebraic equations can be solved. With this law, many complex mathematical equations can be solved. In the next section, we are going to prove this important result. Proof of the cancellation law of addition of natural numbers. First, let us recall the 5 axioms of Peano. 0 is a natural number. Every natural number n has a successor s of n or n plus 1. 0 is not the successor of any natural number. The successor function s is injective, the principle of mathematical induction. The statement of the law is, if a plus c equals b plus c implies a equals b. Let us first recall the definition of addition. A plus 0 equals a for all natural numbers, a. A plus s of b equals s of a plus b. We shall prove the law by induction on c. First, base case, when c equals 0. A plus 0 equals b plus 0. By definition, a plus 0 equals a, and b plus 0 equals b. Base case holds. Inductive step. Assume that a plus c equals b plus c implies a equals b for some c. We shall show that if a plus s of c equals b plus s of c, then a equals b. Here we use the definition of addition. So s of a plus c equals s of b plus c. By axiom 4, we have a plus c equals b plus c. By induction hypothesis, we have a equals b, hence shown. We have just shown the cancellation law of the addition of natural numbers. We have used the Peano's axioms, especially the injectivity of the successor function, the principle of mathematical induction, and the definition of addition. It is another foundational result of mathematics, from which the motivation of the cancellation law of the group theory germinates. The idea of addition of the inverse element of c, or the minus c, the starting point of negative integers.